We are back at Sacramento Pipeworks, and this time let's take a look at a yellow V3. This climb has seen a bit of heavy traffic since it's been set up, and I'm going to go ahead and showcase one of the more common ways I've seen it climbed. Of course, I'm going to exaggerate a little bit on some of the movements, but in the end, I will let you be the judge and have you decide whether you think this style of climbing is efficient. Alright, I've made it to the top and it looked pretty chill, but if you look closely, some of my movements do contain an element of being off-balanced or having some dynamic nature and involving a little bit of a swing. The reason for this is that for the majority of these moves, I am climbing with the same side, hand and foot. For example, on one move, I will move off of both the left hand and left foot. And for another move, I'll move off of the right hand and right foot. Next, I'm going to show you this climb climbed in a different fashion using opposite hand and foot. One of the reasons why this climb is a really good candidate for showcasing opposite hand and foot is the high number of side pulls. And the best way to utilize a side pull is to use opposite hand and foot and turning your hip in the process. You can see one of the benefits of using opposite hand and foot is that you generally only need one foothold to move off of. Even on the very first move, I'm putting my right foot on the foot ship that's on the left, which most people use with their left foot. But because I'm using opposite hand and foot, my right foot is going to be paired with my left hand. If you examine each of the movements done in opposite hand and foot, you can tell that they're executed in a more static, controlled, and balanced fashion. Looking at the style of same side hand and foot, you can see that I only have a very small window to catch the move or kind of latch the hold. If I miss it or mis-execute the timing, then I basically fall off. So the next time you get on this climb or any others, try utilizing opposite hand and foot when you climb. You'll notice that you'll be able to create a higher state of tension and move with more control and balance.